subscribe to Android Discovery Channel. And press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Luxury audio brand Master and Dynamic has announced a follow-up to its MW07 true wireless earphones. The MW08 model brings a number of firsts for the company, including active noise cancellation. The MW08 earphones are M&D's first true wireless plugs to help keep unwanted sounds from spoiling the music by employing hybrid active noise cancellation. Should listeners want or need to allow the outside world in, an ambient mode will do just that. The durable ceramic and steel D-shaped housing is home to an external machined aluminium nano-bonded antenna and the company's 6-microphone system, with noise and wind getting cut out for improved call clarity. The earphones are also the first in the line to feature custom 11mm beryllium drivers, with the company promising faithful delivery of its signature sound. Wireless connectivity is over Bluetooth 5.2. with support for AAC and aptX codecs, and each earpiece should be good for up to 12 hours per charge, with the steel charging case adding another 30 hours to playback time. Sadly, most of the audio specs are absent from the press release, but pre-release reviews note great sound quality, easy to use on-ear controls, good ANC isolation and strong battery life as positive points, though we'd have to try them ourselves to confirm. In another first, a brand new M&D Connect iOS, Android mobile app accompanies the launch of the earphones, so that users can customize their listening experience, keep firmware up to date and more. Unsurprisingly for a luxury audio brand, the price of entry is quite high at US $299, making these true wireless earphones a good deal more expensive than Apple's AirPods Pro and Sony's WF-1000XM3 models. The new true wireless earphones are being made available in 4 color options and will go on sale from March 30th. Guys, I hope you liked my video. If you really liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you.